Here at Veolia, Absolute Perfection works on our 30 Charm City Circulator buses, and that's a fleet of about 35 total vehicles. The maintenance requirements and wear and tear on a fleet this size, it's running around downtown Baltimore, it's pretty demanding. One of the issues we have in the transportation business is our buses need to be on the street. It's very important to me that I work with a company that understands that time-sensitive nature of our business. They've worked with us to be here at 4 a.m. sometimes if they need to be, so that we can do something to the whole entire fleet. They'll work with us however we need to make sure we're taken care of and that we can keep our buses in service so that we're honoring our contract that we have with our client. The partnership we have built over the last 18 months with Absolute Perfection has been fantastic. I do feel Absolute Perfection is in a great position right now as a company to handle large fleets. They certainly proved to myself and Veolia over the past year and a half. They have the ability, they have the manpower to handle the fleet this size, or I have no concern as we grow. If we add additional buses, another 15 buses in the next 2 years, that Absolute Perfection would be able to handle the additional work. They certainly showed me that they can manage a fleet this size, be responsive, make the product good, make it last. Yeah, they absolutely know what they're doing.